Students, welcome to class with mathematics. Today we will study about the percentage. To understand the concept, let us have a small activity is there. Mr. Rahul has a basket of 100 fruits. Right? Mr. Rahul के पास एक basket है, उसमें कितने fruits हैं? 100 fruits हैं. Now out of 100 fruits, 25 are apples. 100 fruits टोटल हैं, उसमें से 25 क्या है? एप्पल्स हैं. तो व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन फॉर एप्पल्स? 25 अपॉन 100. नाउ आउट ऑफ 100 फ्रूट्स 35 आर मैंगोज. तो इस बास्केट में जो 100 फ्रूट्स है उसमें 35 क्या है? मैंगोज. तो फ्रैक्शन मैंगोज की फ्रैक्शन, व्हाट इज द फ्रैक्शन फॉर मैंगोज? 35 अपॉन 100. आउट ऑफ 100 फ्रूट्स 15 आर guava. So fraction for guava is 15 upon 100. So if we take all the fractions, now look at the fraction 25 upon 100, 35 upon 100, 15 upon 100. So these set of fractions, what is common in between them? That is denominator is 100, right? So in this set of fractions, denominators are 100. So that means what's the meaning of that one? A fraction whose denominator is 100 कॉल्ड परसेंटेज. तो जिस फ्रैक्शन की जो डिनोमिनेटर होती है उसका डिनोमिनेटर जो है 100 होगा, उसको हम परसेंटेज बोलते हैं. तो परसेंटेज वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड बाय सम अदर वे आल्सो, दैट इज परसेंट. इट इज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू वर्ड. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज पर, देन प्लस सेंट, another word is cent. So percent, it is the combination of two word, and the per means for every, and cent means 100. It may be a group of 100, it is called the century. Okay, cent means century and it is group of 100 things. Now it 100 years, if it is a group of 100 years, that is called the 1 century. If it is 100 runs, that is scored by in the cricket, that is also called century, right? So cent means 100. Now what's the meaning of percentage? For every 100, right? And this percentage can be represented by a symbol, that is, it is the symbol of percentage. It is the symbol of percentage. Now let us take some other example. Now I have fraction is 25 upon 100. If I want to write this 25 upon 100 into percent, so how I can write this one? 25%. Why? This percent, this is a symbol of percent, and the percent meaning for every 100. Here 100 is written in the denominator. In place of this 100, we can use the symbol of percentage here. So it is 25%. This is 45 upon 100. So this 100 can be used as symbol. For every 100 it is there. So it is used by symbol percent. So you can also write like this way. It is 45%. Another 38 upon 100, we can write it as 38%. Okay. Now we have worksheet 1 is there. In the worksheet 1 we have to write, express the fraction into percent. So this is a fraction where denominator is 100. So this 100 means percent. So we can write it as 25%. 18 upon 100, we can write it as 18%. In the same way, 28%, it can be written as 20. Okay. Now we can write in the reverse order also. A 28% percentage is given, and we can write it as in fraction. So this percent means for every 100, so we can write 28 upon 100. ओके, ये परसेंट का मीनिंग क्या होता है? फॉर एवरी 100, मतलब डिनोमिनेटर क्या है? 100 है, तो हम 28 नंबर लिखेंगे और इसका इस परसेंटेज की जगह फॉर एवरी 100 नीचे 100 लिख देंगे. इन द सेम वे if you have 45% is there, so we can write it as as a fraction. It is 45 upon 100. If you have 98% is there, we can write a 98 upon 100. Now in worksheet 1 we have also a small activity is there, right? Here we have 100 small squares of equal size are there. Okay, we have, it is the 100 small squares. Okay, these are 100 small squares. Now I have to color these squares. Firstly, 45% out of these 100 squares, 45% are green in color. So color it with green, right? So how many square you will color with green? That is 45, because परसेंट मीन्स ये टोटल 100 हैं, उस 100 में से आपने 45 जो है वो ग्रीन कलर करने हैं. उसी तरह से अगला टोटल 100 हैं, उसमें से 6 क्या करने हैं आपने, 6 क्या करने हैं येलो से करने हैं, येलो कलर करना है, और 20 में क्या करना है ब्लू कलर. इन दिस वे वी कैन, and after that we can represent this 45% into fraction. So 45 upon 100, it is 6 upon 100, it is 20 upon 100. Now we have worksheet 2 is there. In worksheet 2 we have question is there, that is what, express the following as a fraction in the lowest term. We have question is there, it is in percent. Now worksheet 2, here question is there in worksheet 2. Now question number 1, A part, 3% is there. We will express this percent into fraction. Now it is in fraction. Okay, percent means for every 100. So we will, in place of this percent symbol, we will write 100 in the denominator. Now this is in the lowest term. Another is 35% is there. Now we will express this percent into fraction. So how will write 35 upon 100, because you will use 100 in place of this percent symbol. So you will write 100 in denominator. Now after that we have to change this into lowest term, because he asking a question. What is the question? What asked the question, that is you will express in the fraction, after that in the lowest term. Now by which common number they both 35 and 100 are divisible? They both are divisible by 5, because in the last we have 5 is there, here 0 is there, so both are come in the table of 5. So if you divide 35 by 5 you will get 7 here. If you divide 100 by 5 you will get 20. So it is the 7 upon 20, it is the lowest term. In the same way we have another 138% is there. So you will express firstly in the fraction. What is the fraction for 138%? 138 upon 100. Now both are even number, both are divisible by 2, so 69, it is 50. So 69 upon 50, it is in the lowest term. In the same way we have another question number 2 is there. In the question number 2, what is there? Express the following percentage into decimal. यहाँ पे परसेंटेज जो है वो गिवन है, उसको आपने डेसिमल में एक्सप्रेस करना है. तो ऑलरेडी एज वी सी दैट वी हैव क्वेश्चन इज 0.2% इज देयर, 0.2%. सो एक्सप्रेस द फॉलोइंग इनटू परसेंटेज इनटू डेसिमल. डेसिमल में एक्सप्रेस करना है, और ये ऑलरेडी डेसिमल में है ही लगा हुआ. तो डोंट वी गेट कंफ्यूज. आपने क्या करना है, पहले इस परसेंटेज को रिमूव करना है. तो क्या निकलेगा 0.2 अपॉन 100. नाउ ये आपका फ्रैक्शन की ही फॉर्म है, तो आप इसको परसेंट डेसिमल में करोगे यूज. व्हेन वी हैव एनी नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 100, दैट मीन्स decimal will shift towards the left side by 2 places. So what will be the answer? 0.002, it is the answer. Now if you can't understand this one, you can solve this question by another way. How you can solve by another way? Let me solve it. 0.2% इज देयर, राइट। तो पहले डेसिमल है, इसको रिमूव कर दीजिए आप, तो क्या आएगा 2/10%, राइट। डेसिमल को देख दीजिए है, इसकी फ्रैक्शन क्या बनेगी 0.2 की 2/10, देन परसेंटेज एज इट इज रहने दीजिए। उसके बाद फिर आप इस परसेंटेज को रिमूव करिए, तो क्या आएगा 2/10 इंटू 100, परसेंटेज की जगह डिनोमिनेटर में और क्या आ जाएगा 100। सो उसके बाद क्या आएगा 2/1000, और 2/1000 को जब आप डिवाइड करोगे तो यू विल गेट 0.002। It is little bit longer but it is smaller, so try to solve like this way, right? So another part we have is there, that is 5.6%, right? तो कैसे करोगे आप 5.6%? आपने 5.6% का, ठीक है, परसेंट को आपने रिमूव किया और इसके डिनोमिनेटर में क्या लिख दिया 100, बिकॉज इसका 100, इसका परसेंट का मतलब होता है फॉर एवरी 100। नाउ क्योंकि परसेंटेज में लिखना है इसको, तो आपने 100 भी 5.6 को 100 से डिवाइड करना है, तो आपका जो है लेफ्ट साइड की ओर डेसिमल मूव करेगा, तो कितने प्लेस मूव करेगा, यहाँ 2 जीरो है तो 2 प्लेस मूव करेगा, तो यहाँ एक ही प्लेस है, तो एक प्लेस और क्या बनेगी 0.056। सो इन दिस वे वी कैन solve question number 1 and 2 of worksheet 2. Thank you very much.